Number 1. 1973 Chevrolet Vega 2-door hatch coupe. Price, $3,500. Located, Ventura, California. This 1973 Chevrolet Vega hatchback coupe is a rare compact classic and marks the final year of chrome bumpers, giving it a more vintage and desirable appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this car runs and drives as stated by the seller. It shows only 17,388 miles, making it an interesting low-mileage survivor. The white exterior contrasts nicely with the bright yellow interior, adding a unique retro style. With over 3 previous owners, it remains a solid candidate for restoration or customization. Seller is open to offers or possible trades, making it a flexible deal. Number 2. 1960 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Price, $8,550. Located, Chula Vista, California. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is an iconic American luxury classic known for its stylish design and smooth driving experience. Equipped with a gasoline engine and automatic transmission, the car runs as stated by the seller. It features a striking red exterior matched with a red interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. With only 29,481 miles and reportedly 1 owner, this vehicle presents a rare opportunity for collectors. The body and interior are described as clean, making it a strong candidate for light restoration or preservation. Clean title and negotiable pricing add to its appeal. Number 3. 1979 Honda Accord. Price, $4,800. Located, Orange, California. This 1979 Honda Accord is a well-preserved early-generation model known for its reliability and simple engineering. It comes with a gasoline engine and a manual 5-speed transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. The car has 60,575 miles and retains its original silver paint, paired with a clean red interior. With only 2 owners, it has been maintained carefully over the years. It runs and drives but requires a tune-up. The interior remains in excellent condition with no rips or cracks, and the headliner is intact. A great choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic Japanese daily driver. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale. Price, $8,900. Located, Westminster, California. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale is a classic American pickup powered by a strong 454 big block engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 125,000 original miles, it runs and offers solid performance for a vintage truck. The blue exterior and matching blue interior give it a cohesive and classic look. This long bed, 2-wheel drive truck features dual fuel tanks and a tilt steering wheel, adding to its practicality. Some rust is present, but it remains a great candidate for restoration or continued use. A powerful and desirable truck for classic pickup enthusiasts. Number 5. 1979 Buick Riviera. Price, $8,000. Located, Fallbrook, California. This 1979 Buick Riviera is a full-size luxury coupe that showcases classic American comfort and styling. Powered by a V8 gasoline engine, it delivers a smooth and relaxed driving experience. The car is described as being in excellent condition with original paint, preserving its authentic vintage appeal. Known for its distinctive design and comfortable ride, the Riviera remains a favorite among collectors. This example appears to be well-maintained and ready to drive, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a classic luxury cruiser with timeless character and strong road presence. Number 6. 1986 Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited Sedan 4D. Price, $2,000. Located, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1986 Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited is a classic luxury sedan known for its smooth ride and spacious interior. It features a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, and the seller notes that it runs with a good transmission and a new fuel pump installed. The car has 76,000 miles and comes in a white exterior with a gray interior. While it is considered a project car, it has a solid foundation with no major issues reported. Ideal for restoration or daily use with some work, This Lincoln offers classic comfort at an affordable entry price. Number 7. 1984 GMC 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price $3,000. Located Menifee, California. This 1984 GMC 1500 short bed pickup is a classic truck with strong potential as a project build. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and a manual transmission and shows approximately 50,000 miles, though exact mileage is uncertain. The green exterior and beige interior provide a classic vintage truck look. The engine runs, but the brakes need bleeding and the truck currently does not go into gear, possibly requiring clutch work. It will need to be towed. Despite these issues, it offers a solid base for restoration or customization at an affordable price point. Number 8. 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Price $7,500. Located Vista, California. This 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle is a beautifully restored classic that runs and drives excellently. Powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The yellow exterior combined with a tan interior gives it a bright and cheerful vintage look. With 99,454 miles and 2 previous owners, it has been well maintained over the years. The vehicle comes with a clean Nevada title and is ready for registration in California. Fully functional and in great condition, this Beetle is a perfect choice for collectors or daily classic drivers. Number 9. 1972 Ford F-250 Long Bed. Price $4,500. Located Riverside, California. This 1972 Ford F-250 long bed truck is a classic heavy-duty pickup with strong potential for restoration. It features a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has around 150,000 miles. The beige exterior and blue interior give it a traditional work truck appearance. The seller states that the engine, transmission, and brakes need repairs, but the core components are present. The truck does not currently have a title, but a bill of sale is available. This makes it a project vehicle best suited for experienced buyers looking for a vintage truck to rebuild. Number 10. 1974 Volkswagen Thing. Price $8,000. Located Phoenix, Arizona. This 1974 Volkswagen Thing is a unique and fun classic utility vehicle known for its rugged design and open-air driving experience. It is powered by a dual-port 1600 engine paired with a manual transmission, both reported to be in good working condition. The yellow exterior with a black interior gives it a bold and adventurous look. The car runs great with good brakes and new tires installed. Some rust is present on the floor and rocker panels, but it remains fully drivable. A great choice for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive and enjoyable vintage ride. Number 11. 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL. Price $2,600. Located Clio, Michigan. This 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL is a classic luxury convertible known for its timeless design and solid German engineering. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives as expected. With 79,000 original miles, this car offers a good balance of usability and collectible appeal. The tan exterior and matching tan interior provide a clean and elegant look. Everything is reported to be intact and functional, though there are minor dings and a cracked windshield reflected in the price. A great opportunity for an affordable entry into classic European convertible ownership. Number 12. 1981 Chevrolet Malibu 2 LT Sedan 4D. Price $3,300. Located Islip, New York. This 1981 Chevrolet Malibu 2 LT sedan is a classic American daily driver with simple mechanics and reliable performance. It is powered by a V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 59,123 miles. The gold exterior combined with a tan interior gives it a vintage and understated appearance. This one-owner vehicle runs, drives, and stops as expected. It does not currently have a title, but options are available to resolve that. Overall, it is a solid and affordable project or daily classic for someone looking for a straightforward and easy-to-maintain vintage sedan. Number 13. 1966 Bentley T1. Price: $8,995. Located: Hatfield, Pennsylvania. This 1966 Bentley T1 is a true luxury classic featuring elegant British craftsmanship and timeless styling. It comes with a gasoline engine and automatic transmission and is configured as a right-hand drive vehicle. With 103,221 miles, it runs and drives but will require some care and attention. The white exterior paired with a blue interior gives it a refined and classic look. It has a clean title and new tires installed, though the brakes are noted to be weak. This car presents a unique opportunity to own a vintage Bentley at an accessible price with restoration potential. Number 14. 1983 Jaguar XJ6 Sedan 4D. Price: $2,200. Located: Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. This 1983 Jaguar XJ6 sedan is a classic British luxury car known for its smooth ride and elegant design. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and automatic transmission and has 60,656 miles. The white exterior combined with a blue interior creates a classic and sophisticated look. The car runs and drives, with most features functioning properly except for the air conditioning. Comes with a clean title and appears to be well maintained overall. This Jaguar offers an affordable way to experience vintage European luxury with strong character and comfort. Number 15. 1975 Ford Econoline. Price: $7,000. Located: Castalia, Ohio. This 1975 Ford Econoline is a full-size classic van that offers both utility and vintage appeal. It is powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and has 45,631 miles. The blue exterior gives it a classic work van appearance. It features brand new tires and newer fuel tanks installed about 2 years ago. The van has a broken window on the passenger sliding door and a transmission leak that will need attention. Despite these issues, it remains a solid candidate for restoration, camper conversion, or work use with a unique classic style. Number 16. 1972 Pontiac Lemons. Price: $8,000. Located: Stowe, Ohio. This 1972 Pontiac Lemons is a classic American muscle-style car equipped with a built Vortec 350 engine and automatic transmission with a shift kit for improved performance. It has very low reported mileage and delivers strong running condition. The yellow exterior combined with an off-white interior gives it a bold and classic look. The frame is described as solid, though there are some rough areas that may need attention. This vehicle is a great running project with strong performance potential, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts looking for a muscle car platform. Number 17. 1984 Mercedes-Benz 300D Sedan 4D. Price: $2,500. Located: Richmond, Virginia. This 1984 Mercedes-Benz 300D is a classic diesel sedan known for its durability and long-lasting performance. It features a diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 295,000 miles. The gray exterior and blue interior give it a distinctive vintage look. The car has been used as a daily driver and has received several parts to improve reliability. It runs and drives well and offers a comfortable ride with strong character. While cosmetic condition may not be perfect, it remains a dependable classic diesel vehicle with proven longevity. Number 18. 1978 milligrams Midget Convertible. Price: $4,995. Located: Hatfield, Pennsylvania. This 1978 milligrams Midget Convertible is a lightweight British sports car designed for fun and engaging driving. It is powered by a gasoline engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and has 55,000 miles. The gray exterior paired with a black interior gives it a clean and sporty appearance. It starts, runs, and drives without issues, and everything is reported to function properly. The car has new upholstery, carpet, and tires, with no rust present. This well-maintained example is ready to enjoy and makes a great choice for collectors or weekend drivers. Number 19. 1982 Fiat Spider 2000. Price: $1,500. Located Lewiston, Maine. This 1982 Fiat Spider 2000 is a classic Italian convertible with stylish design and fun driving dynamics. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and manual transmission and shows very low mileage. The red exterior with a tan interior gives it a classic European sports car look. The car was previously running but currently has a fuel-related issue that prevents it from starting. It has been sitting for some time and will need minor repairs, a battery, and towing. This makes it an ideal project for someone looking for an affordable restoration opportunity. Number 20. 1982 Ford F-100 Base. Price: $1,500. Located Roebuck, South Carolina. This 1982 Ford F-100 Base is a classic American pickup truck with solid potential as a project vehicle. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 65,386 miles. The blue exterior gives it a traditional truck appearance. The vehicle runs and drives but not properly, as it does not operate on its own fuel system. It also lacks brakes and has minor front-end damage. The title has a signing issue that may require correction. This truck is best suited for restoration or parts, offering a budget-friendly entry into classic truck ownership.